One way to think of a business is how does money flow from your customers' pockets to your bank account? That's what the DFL Money Flow Framework will explain. With all the videos on how to make money on YouTube, it's easy to get overwhelmed and to miss important points. Today, I'm going to introduce a simple way to understand business that you can't afford to miss.
Distinctions for life, helping you get what you really want in life with small changes that make a big difference.
I'm Ron Davis, and welcome to the Spring 2020 season of Distinctions for Life. I'm all about helping ambitious people go from being wannabe entrepreneurs to having a profitable, sustainable business. I will give you the mental tools to understand your business as well as what you need to do next to succeed. These videos are one way that I help. Another way is my short weekly email every Friday packed with a few useful tools, resources, and topics. If that sounds like something you'd like to get your hands on, go to distinctionsforlife.tv and sign up. There are 5,277,000 videos on YouTube on how to start and run a business. And that doesn't include the ones on how to grow a YouTube channel or a social media following. So where do you start? Today, I'm going to give you a tool to more easily think about business. Most videos are about tactics, but this series is about understanding the pieces of your business. Did you know that you can make lots of sales and never have any money in your bank account? This is what a friend of mine calls entrepreneurial poverty. You can have everyone in the world watching and reading your stuff, but you never make any money. It's easy to talk about how to make a great sales funnel, but that doesn't matter if no one goes to it. So I'm going to give you a framework today that you can use to examine your business. You can also use it to hang things on if you are still in the planning stages of your startup. Today, I'm going to give you just an overview of the 5 steps or levels that you need to think about. Over the next month, I'll go more in depth to each of these aspects. So smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to get the deep dive episodes as soon as they come out. And the first thing you have to do is get attention. Everyone in business knows if you build it, they will come. It's total BS. No one will even think about buying your stuff if they don't know it exists, nor will they let you explain it to them if you don't first get them to notice you. We have more ways to get people's attention than any other time in the history of mankind, but so does everybody else, and that makes it hard. Once you have their attention, you have to build a desire for your product in them. People only buy what they want. This is a key distinction. If they don't want it, they won't buy it. So you need to convince them to want it. You have to build desire. A related distinction is that people don't buy what they need, only what they want. Once people want your product or service, you have to convince them that you can and will deliver. That is trust. Now that you've got their attention and convinced them that they want what your product is, you need to get them to buy. If you've done desire and trust right, this is actually the easy part. Mostly, it is about not making mistakes. And here are the 2 biggest mistakes it comes when getting people to buy. Not asking for the sale and making the process too hard. We'll go deeper into that in the deep dive episodes. Now, the part of money flow that no one seems to talk about. The part where the tools are the weakest and the part most business owners spend the least on. Delivering. The internet marketing crowd is the worst at this. They are so focused on getting attention, building desire, and closing the sale that what happens afterwards is secondary. That's why they build super slick sales funnel software with mediocre backends to back it up. Delivery includes the entire process after the sale. What you actually give them, how you deliver it to them, how you onboard them into your service, and how you support them afterwards. And we're going to go into all of that in the deep dive. Now, the last missing piece, the one that most contributes to entrepreneurial poverty, how cash flows through your business. The other big lie out there is that if you make a lot of sales, you are making a bunch of money. People often say they have a $2 million business, but when you look at their lifestyle, you wonder how that could possibly be. Take, for instance, a real estate agent. They may say they sold $2 million in real estate last year, and you may think they're a millionaire. But in reality, they only got 2 to 3% of that number. I know a number of people who own a business and never get paid. They pay everyone else first, and money from sales never gets into their personal bank account. I'm going to give you an introduction to the Profit First system that I use in my business, and I encourage all my proteges and students to use. If you want to get ahead of the game on this one, you can buy the book of the same name. There's a link in the description. Question of the day: where in this flow do you have your biggest struggle? If you're watching this video, I got your attention. Hopefully I've built some desire and trust in you. Now you can take the easy step of clicking subscribe to get more great content automatically delivered to you by YouTube. Thanks for watching today. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. This channel is all about helping you get what you really want in life with small changes that make a big difference. Until next time, I'm Ron Davis. This is what my friend and advisor calls entrepreneurial poverty. Entrepreneurial poverty. These videos are one way I do that. Another way is a short weekly email that I send with a few